You'd like to heal? Have good hope in Allah. When you seek forgiveness, believe that you are forgiven. Change your ways and your habits. Feel in your heart your connection with Allah. Have a good hope. Allah is loving. Allah is merciful. The qualities of Allah that are connected with mercy, love and forgiveness are the most, and they are tremendous. He is most loving, most forgiving, oft forgiving. He loves to forgive. Look at the dua of Laylatul Qadr, and we should be repeating it every other day. Allahumma innaka afuwan tuhibbu al-afwa. What does that mean? Have you thought about it? It means, oh Allah, you love to forgive. You love to forgive. Why would Allah love to forgive? He knows He has created His slaves who will sin and err. He loves from amongst us those who return to Him and repent to Him. Those are the ones whom Allah loves. If you think you are never going to sin, listen to this. كُلُّ بَنِي آدَمَ خَطَّى وَخَيْرُ الْخَطَّائِينَ التَّوَّابُونَ. All human beings, all the children of Adam, they commit sin, they are prone to error. But the best from among those who often sin, because the term khatta refers to someone who did it more than once. At-tawwabun, those who repent more than once, again, tawwabun, of repenting.